Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the card and finding the right port. Insert the SD or micro SD in an adapter into the TV slot or plug a card reader into a USB port. Once done, make sure the card is formatted to FAT32 or XFAT so the TV can read files. That's why formats matter. If the TV shows a notification, grant media access. If not, try a different USB port. Some ports are for service only. You now access the TV's media app to view content. Go to Home, open Media Player or File Explorer, and select the removable drive that matches your card. Once inside, navigate to the folder with photos, videos, or music. Use Sort or Filter to speed selection. You'll want thumbnails enabled so you can preview files quickly. If playback fails, check codec support. TVs accept common codecs only, so convert files when required to ensure smooth playback. Finish by playing your content and safely removing the card. Use the remote to play, pause, and toggle subtitles or alternate audio. These controls fix many playback quirks. When finished, go to the TV's storage settings and choose Safe Eject to avoid corruption. If the TV doesn't read the card, first power cycle the TV, then try reformatting the card on a computer to FAT32 or XFAT, test another card, and finally
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.